come to a different beach today. You probably won't notice, but that coastline is a lot closer than the beaches of the south the beaches further down south where I stay. I can actually see the buildings and all the construction work on that coast over there. So I've been thinking of restarting this channel, uploading stuff more regularly, just random content, you know, nothing special. So don't get your hopes up high. Just wanted to give you an update on everything that's been happening for the past couple of weeks. It has been very busy at work. The whole team is working overtime in office. I also fell sick. I got fever and a sore throat, and I noticed a remarkable difference this time, that earlier whenever I fall sick, I don't fall sick very often, and whenever I would fall sick, I would just lock myself up in a room and take rest. I would just force rest upon myself and I would recover. Within 24 hours, I would be back to normal. But this time I haven't been able to do that because of work and because I've been working late nights. And the illness has just dragged on. Like, the fever took about a day and a half to subside, but the sore throat is still there, and it's just, you know, it's there and it's going away, but very slowly. It's not healing quickly like it used to. So next time I'm falling sick, I'm just going to, I don't know if I can just disappear like that, because when you have a job, you know, there's a whole team that's working with you and they depend on you, and even if you are not well, you can't, you know, I don't feel like letting them down. That's about it. It's not about doing it for the company, or, you know, it's not about doing it for the organization, or it's not about, the work actually doesn't matter at all. It's just that, you know, the team is doing something together and you have a part to play, and, you know, everybody has a part to play and they need to do what they're there to do. And if you don't show up, you just let them, somebody else has to do what you were supposed to do. And, you know, it's a small team and everybody's already overworked, so that's not fair. But anyway, I think I should be completely back to normal in another couple of days. So yeah, check out those boats over there. This beach does have a very different vibe to it. It's actually very sunny right now. It's kind of hot. It's almost 10 o'clock. And I have this sweatshirt on. I don't know if you can make out. Of course you can. I have this sweatshirt on and I'm feeling hot, but I came here on my motorcycle and I wanted to keep myself warm, so I wore a sweatshirt, and now I'm feeling very hot and stupid on this bright sunny beach. Check out those birds over there. Yeah, so we'll probably stick around here for a couple of minutes, take some photos, and go back home, maybe get something to eat, get some breakfast on the way. That's it for now. Bye. Those birds over there are looking like seagulls to me. Try and get closer. There are some seagulls over there. Before I leave, I want to take one last shot at getting a photo of those seagulls. I don't have a zoom lens. I mean, I have a zoom lens, but it's a pretty small zoom lens, so I can't, you know, I have to get a little closer. I hope they don't fly away.
I'm kind of absolutely sure at this point that those birds are seagulls. I'm just trying to get a few shots before I get too close and scare them away.